Hack Step 6. Lessons learned. Strengthening cybersecurity through post-incident analysis. Once an incident has been fully contained, eradicated, and systems have been restored, the final step in the SANS 6-step incident handling process is lessons learned. This phase is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most valuable parts of the process. It allows organizations to analyze what went wrong, improve their security posture, and prevent future incidents. Why the lessons learned phase is critical. Many organizations focus solely on containment and eradication, but fail to evaluate the root cause and response process. This can lead to recurring security breaches due to unresolved vulnerabilities, inefficient incident response if teams do not improve their handling strategies, compliance violations if documentation and reporting are not properly managed, loss of stakeholder confidence due to repeated security failures. A great example is the Marriott data breach. After its first breach, the company failed to close security gaps, leading to a repeat compromise affecting over 300 million customers. Conducting a thorough post-incident review could have helped prevent the second attack. Key steps in the lessons learned process. 1. Conduct a post-incident review meeting. Gather the incident response team, IT staff, executives, and key stakeholders. Analyze the incident timeline, when it started, how it was detected, what actions were taken, and how long it took to respond. Identify gaps in detection, containment, eradication, and recovery. 2. Determine the root cause of the incident. Was it due to human error, a misconfigured system, an unpatched vulnerability, or a phishing attack? What weaknesses allowed the attacker to gain access? What security controls could have prevented the attack? 3. Assess the effectiveness of the incident response process. Did the team follow the incident response plan properly? Were there any delays, miscommunications, or resource limitations? Did the organization have the right tools and skills to respond effectively? 4. Improve security policies and incident response procedures. Update security policies to address weaknesses identified during the incident. Strengthen password policies, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and endpoint security controls. Enhance employee training to prevent phishing and social engineering attacks. 5. Update and test the incident response plan. Modify the IR based on findings from the post-incident review. Conduct tabletop exercises and live drills to ensure teams are better prepared for future incidents. Regularly test backup and disaster recovery procedures to ensure quick restoration in case of future attacks. Documentation and compliance. Many industries, especially finance, healthcare, and government sectors, require proper documentation of incidents for regulatory compliance. Organizations should maintain detailed incident reports that include response actions and resolution steps. Ensure compliance with frameworks such as NIST, ISO 27001, GDPR, and HIPAA. Share threat intelligence with industry partners to strengthen collective defense efforts. Lessons learned best practices. 1. Conduct a blameless review. Focus on learning and improvement rather than blaming individuals. 2. Use data-driven analysis. Gather and analyze logs, reports, and forensic evidence to make informed decisions. 3. Turn lessons into action. Ensure that policy updates, security fixes, and training improvements are implemented. 4. Share insights with the security community. Collaborate with cybersecurity organizations and threat intelligence networks to strengthen defenses. Real-world case studies. Case Study 1, the Equifax data breach. Cause: unpatched vulnerability in Apache Struts framework. Impact: exposure of 147 million customer records. Lessons learned: the importance of regular patching, strong access controls, and better threat detection. Case Study 2, the Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack. Cause: compromised VPN password with no multi-factor authentication MFA. Impact: disruption of fuel supply across the U.S. Lessons learned, the necessity of MFA, segmented networks, and rapid response capabilities. Final thoughts. The lessons learned phase is crucial for building a stronger cybersecurity posture and preventing future incidents. It allows organizations to analyze what went wrong, refine their response strategy, and improve overall resilience against cyber threats. With this final step, we complete the SANS 6-step incident handling process. However, cybersecurity is an ongoing journey. Organizations must continue learning, adapting, and improving to stay ahead of evolving threats. In the next section, we will explore real-world case studies to apply everything you've learned. Stay tuned.